So, guys, there's a lot of opportunities in the Nigerian stock market, especially now that the all-share index is moving higher and hitting all-time highs, heading towards 150,000 naira. So, there's a lot of money you can make in the Nigerian stock market. But if you don't have the right strategies, you will not be able to benefit from the thousands and millions of naira other traders and investors are making. And that is why in this video, I'll be showing you the 5 profit trading strategies that will earn you big profits in the Nigerian stock market that Nigerians like you can start using today. Whether you are investing for long-term growth or trading for short-term profits, these strategies can help you trade with confidence. This is not Wall Street jargon. What I'm going to show you are just practical steps that work here in Nigeria. So make sure you just watch till the end of the video to get all the tips that you need when using these strategies so you can have a better